Today we'll be celebrating 51st online programs of Bhav Tarang Creations. So we'll celebrate this event by cutting a cake. Good afternoon everyone. Welcome to this painting Mela. Here we'll be learning today about 4 different types of paintings: Varli, Gond, Madhubani and Kalamkari. We'll start this session with Varli painting. This painting was done by tribes of Maharashtra and Gujarat. They used to do it very long back when the people started settling down and cultivating lands. In this painting you have geometrical figures, and this was done on mud walls using rice powder. You can see these few slides how it will be. Now we'll next move to Gond painting, where animals and trees like leaves, trees are mixed. Mostly nature is drawn. Here colors are used and the colors are very bright.
Okay, natural colors means they take stones, they take leaves, they take some bark of trees, flowers, and then they make them, grind them and put it into gum, and then they do it and they paint it. Okay, and these people also, they used to paint on walls to ward off spirits. Main thing was to ward off spirits. They used to paint, and then slowly this painting now started, that they have started decorating their homes. Now we can get this Varli or Gond anywhere. Now they are using all acrylic colors, poster colors, but earlier it was not like this. Now we'll come to Madhubani. Madhubani paintings, now they belong to Madhya Pradesh. Okay, Madhya Pradesh, Mithila city. Now it is at the central India, and here you can see the difference, that the animal forms and all, they are little advanced. Can you see early tribal, what we saw in tribal painting, like maybe in Varli and in Madhubani, you can make out a lot of difference. In Madhubani painting, you can see all bright colors. Then you can see this human figures, basically Radha, Krishna, and then you have this is the celebration of worshipping a tree, actually. Okay, this tree is being worshipped by few women, and then I think one king is also coming, king and queen is coming to worship the tree, so that they have this drawn. And the main thing is that these paintings are done by women of India. The main thing is that Kalamkari belongs to Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh, you mostly, many of them might be knowing Tirupati. Okay, Tirupati, have you heard the name Tirupati city? Near that city, you have Sri Kalahasti. Okay, from that place, this art form originated. In Kalamkari painting, what you have is, this painting is done using one brush. Kalam means a pen sort of things. And that pen is made up of bamboo or a tamarind tree. They used to paint big cloth with mythological stories on them. So mostly the background is red. To make one Kalamkari painting, 23 steps are involved for making the pens, making the colors and the design, typical design they have. Okay, and these colors are also like few colors are dull, like they are in brown shades, dull shades, dark blue shades, and mostly it is done on cloth. Okay, now I will show you the next slide. 4 peacocks. Here I have compared all the 4 paintings. Okay, one is last corner brown one is some tribal type of peacock, that is a Varli peacock, and then you have Madhubani peacock in center. Okay, 2 peacocks of Madhubani style. You can find out the difference. And the third one is Gond one with peacocks with some trees and leaves on his head. And this last one, left side, is the Kalamkari, which is very ornamental. If you have been told to do some task, okay, to research any of the subject and then show me whatever you have done, or talk few lines about that. So now I will hand over to Vaidehi, and she will unmute one by one, all of you. If you have done any painting, or if you have any doubts, or if you have any think researched on it, 1 or 2 lines, you can speak up. Vaidehi, to you.
Yeah. Okay, so in the registration form also we have mentioned it that whatever you know about one type of art, whichever you like most, you have to speak a bit about it, whatever as per your point of view. Okay, so maybe I'll just take the names one by one and you can just tell about yourself, about that art related, what you know and what you like. Okay, uh, the first name I can see is Sri Hasini, K. Sri Hasini.
Yeah, good evening to all. My name is K. Srihamsini. I'm studying in 7th class. So today I'm going to tell some points about Wadli art. Wadli painting is a form of tribal art mostly created by the tribal peoples in the North Sahyadri range in Maharashtra. This tribal art was originated in Maharashtra, where it is still practiced. Wadli artists use their clay huts as the backdrop for their paintings. Thank you.
Okay, fine, right. Thank you. Okay. Next, I can see Ananya Deshpande.
Yes.
Yeah, please.
I'm going to tell about kalamkari. Actually, kalamkari is like we get it mostly from Andhra Pradesh, especially from Chittoor and Machilipatnam.
Okay, okay. Srivarna is showing. Srivarna, you can tell. Srivarna.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, respected teachers and my dear friend. My name is Shrivarna Joyce, and today I'm from Maharashtra, and I'm going to tell about Gond art. Gond paintings are a form of paintings from folk and tribal art that is practiced by one of the largest tribes in India, with whom it shares its name. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
All of you. You have really done a very good job. Now we'll be giving you some time to paint. You can choose any art form which has been displayed or explained over here from the 4, and then you show me all.
Yeah, Suvarna. Yeah, Suvarna, can you see like who all are showing?
Yes,
Srivarna,
yes.
Ishrat.
Ishrit is
Yeah.
showing Wadli and Srivarna has done, I think, Gond. Good.
Okay,
Good.
right. Other than this, okay, fine.
दाखव. ठीक आहे. ओके. कंप्लीट करून टाक. चालेल. ओके. नो प्रॉब्लेम.
मज्जा आली. बाय. थँक यू.
बाय.